The government is looking to install 250 megawatts worth of grid-tied battery storage power by 2024 in a bid to balance electricity frequency and voltage. This decentralized and decarbonized technology is also set to power more than 300,000 homes for about 2 hours daily if realized. Tonight on Tech One, we demystify grid-sized battery storage power and why it is important to the country.
With nearly 90% of electricity generated in the country coming from renewable sources by the end of 2022, the case for battery storage is strong.
Battery storage does two things. It acts like your power bank. All of us have a power bank where in case your battery is low on your phone, you just plug it in. It also acts as a balancer of frequency and voltage.
This even as most variable sources of solar and wind collectively made up just under 20% of Kenya's generation capacity in 2022, according to the Energy Petroleum Regulatory Authority, IPRA. This means that with more solar and wind capacity on the way, the country needs even more storage to manage that huge flow of energy.
Yes, especially now with the challenges we've had around the cost of power. Some of the sweetener that these generators are offering to KPLC and to EPRA is saying, listen, I'll put up this wind farm or I'll put up this solar plant, and on top of that then I can put battery generation or battery storage next to it.
That notwithstanding, the electricity storage technology is an exciting but unknown concept to many, begging the question of how it works. It starts with large physical battery packs. What do we do when the wind isn't blowing, or the sun isn't shining, or when there's a fault in the source of electric generation? That's where big energy storage systems like these ones make a difference and start to balance the grid and make it more resilient. They can automatically take excess geothermal, solar or wind energy, store it and give it back to the grid when the demand is high or when there is need to put in some more clean energy.
Because the benefits are there. If we are trying to move to a green grid, then you need storage.
However, with the government now targeting 250 megawatts by 2024 and nearly 500 megawatts by 2036, experts point to some teething issues that may need to be cleared before moving forward, even as demand for the technology by industry gathers pace.
We need clear tariff structures that incentivize people to invest in this technology. At the moment, if you look at, we got the Energy Act 2019, which requires a couple of regulations to make sure it comes into force. So there are a lot of regulations that are sitting at the regulator's desk. We understand they are ready, but I think their energies are focused elsewhere at the moment. We have the issue around fuel prices, the current PPA task force and the effect that has had on the market and the sector as a general.
Experts now say as Kenya moves to more renewable sources of energy, the need for big energy storage systems will have to go online to deal with intermittency and ensure grid stability. Alan Aoko, Tech One.